Spiders jumping out at me. Whew, had a little scare moment there. Good morning. It is Monday and we have some stuff to do outside, but it is 40 degrees. It is so cold. I don't want to do this. The only positive thing about the really cold weather is I get to wear the cutest little rain jacket that I got in Florida years ago. Years ago in Florida when we... I never put boots on without getting a little testy first. What did my foot poke on? Oh, that was bizarre. I never put boots on without giving it a little tester because I don't want a mouse biting my toes off. I don't want spiders jumping out at me. Whew, had a little scare moment there. Would this outfit be cuter with some jeans? Yes, it would. However, we are doing a little power washing outside, and so I'm gonna get wet anyway, so I don't wanna get jeans wet, and sweats just felt like the right step here. Okay, let's go outside. Here's what we're gonna work on today. This is the front porch. I have done zilch with it. Literally nothing. nothing. And it looks very uninviting. Like this, come on. Bonnie, you can do better. So we're gonna do better. And I'm looking forward to spring. The weather isn't, but I am.
We need to find a common home for you and me and maybe someone more. Give me affection, please. I feel the need to speak my mind. And baby, you're one of a kind. Give me affection, please.
I gave the door a light spray down just to get rid of any like spider webs, just the top layer of dust. And now I'll go through and I'm just going to start with the glass windows. And as I go around the glass, I'll wipe all the black around it. I'm just using water and vinegar. And then I've got the glass spray if I need it. I had never had any experience with, what kind of door is this, iron?
Steel, yeah.
Steel. I wish I would have known because it's so obvious now that I have it. Everything that I bought that was black is this matte kind of coating. It is so hard to clean. I would never put in a matte steel front door ever again. And with like the fireplaces, there was no option with the fireplaces. But they're all kind of that matte black and they don't wipe up good. The entry table, it's a concrete black kind of. It's matte. So hard to clean. I'm going to grind it down and spray paint it with a clear coat so that I can wipe it nicely. Because right now you take a rag and it's like, it's awful. It's so bad. I wish I would have had this made with a gloss finish. If they would have finished it with a gloss instead of matte, or even like a semi-gloss, it would have been so much better. Never ever again with matte black. I didn't choose it. It just came this way. But if I would have specified, it would have come a different way. Anyway, so just a heads up if anyone's building or remodeling, that makes such a difference. And if you're looking at some of these scuff marks, who remembers when we accidentally ran the drone into the house? Yes. We tried buffing them out and we can't get them to buff out. But here's your reminder. A spring refresh can be free. All you need to do is clean. And that makes such a huge difference. You don't have to buy anything. But if you want to, I have some good recommendations. For the rug, I am using the same brand of rug that I have all throughout my house because they are gorgeous. Every one of my rugs I am obsessed with and they give me like little flutters every time I walk past any of them. The quality so far has been wonderful. I haven't had any issues. And the price point. Rugs are typically just extremely expensive. And I feel like the cost for the quality is good. Okay, you ready for this rug? Ta-da! This is an indoor-outdoor rug, so it's okay if it gets wet. As for the planters, I was looking for a place that carried trellises over your garage doors for Joel's shop, and I found these planters, and it's kind of hard to find planters big enough at the regular like Lowe's, Walmart, wherever. And so these came from a planter specialty store, I think. These would come my way just a little bit, which was very exciting to shop on that website because we have so many plans and the plans have to start somewhere. This is a very small step, but a very positive one. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Did I make the wrong choice with gray?
I don't think so.
I didn't want to do black because everything is black and white, so I thought, well, let's do a variation of black and do gray. And now I wonder if I should have done black. Mr. Hoellein is going to help me fill up the planters with the gravel. He's grabbing a few things, so he's going to help me out with that. In the meantime, I'm going to tell you why I'm going to do faux greenery in these planters, mostly because on the porch, when you water things, there's water holes at the bottom. And it just leaves a big mess on the ground and I hate it. And just for, easy sake, I'm going to do the faux greenery. For now. I seriously cannot show them you pouring that in because it is so loud. I just turned it down for them. Okay, need more gravel. The wind that blows here is very intense, and so these have to be weighted down. I feel like my 1 scoopful compared to your like 7 is helpful. The most important thing is that I think I'm being helpful.
That's right.
You all know my favorite part about Christmas is fluffing the tree. And I have, how many? What's 8 and 8? 16? I have 16 mini trees to fluff. What are you fluffing looking at? All right, we got a delivery of greenery for a Bonnie Hoellein. We got some greenery.
Pretty cute.
That's so cute.
Yeah, they look nice.
Do you like them?
I do.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Yeah, they're pretty sweet.
Oh my golly, those turned out so good. I was a little nervous about the faux plants, but no, they are so good. Oh my gosh, these are so good. And I was a little worried about the gray, but I think I like the gray. Now picture this. A bench swing right here. Maybe a matching one over here. I definitely want to get some planters right here. Planters right here. And then possibly some hanging ones too. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Look at her. Hi.
Give me affection, please.
That was the simplest way to clean up this front entry, and it made all the difference in the world. Oh, I'm so thrilled. I'll have the information for the planters, the greenery, and the rug in the description for you. Okay, I had to show you what it looks like from the inside. Oh, it is gonna be amazing when the yard gets done. It doesn't really seem like it, but the weather really took a turn, and it's even more cold than it was, and each boy had baseball practice tonight, and it got canceled because of the rain, so we are trying to figure something to do for dinner. Fireplace is on. I did not prepare anything for dinner.
Oh, these are
So we found something that we've had in our freezer for a really long time.
This is the sauce that you boil before, so it's not like the wrong way, you just put like the flavor in it. It's like, this is like the sauce that you put with it.
Okay.
Look how pretty it looks.
Ooh,
It's like nice and neat.
Nice.
Does it come with
I'm so excited.
chopsticks?
This one's a spicy one, and I want spicy.
Oh, I need to see what flavors
Yeah.
we've got. Okay.
We're just trying this one out first.
What does it say? So spicy something. Spicy something. Scallion oil.
I'll do those.
Scallion.
Sweet and salty.
I'm gonna do.
I think they're all gonna be good.
I hope so. Okay.
I bet that'll be
They sent these to us a very long time ago. They came with, where did the, oh yeah, right here. Okay, so they sent these dumplings to us. We already ate a package and they were pretty good. They
This
came,
time chicken.
okay. They came with, what were those called?
Oh, they came with steamer baskets.
Yeah,
But
and I don't,
I think they're at your parents.
dang it. Because I think they sent these to us when we moved into my parents' house.
Just barely, yeah.
And we tried them and they were really good. And then I was wanting to post about them, and then literally, here we are years later. Or like a
But
year
they
later.
hold good in the freezer.
Yeah,
Apparently.
they've stayed really good in the freezer.
So we're gonna improvise and use this. Oh, that's, warm. Is this empty? It's a cute box.
It's just a cute box. I didn't know if you
Yeah.
wanted to show it.
Oh, I love it. This represents the weather a little more accurately. The spicy noodles are definitely the best of all of the noodles. The scallion one is really plain, and we haven't tried this last one yet. I'll tell you what is delicious. Oh, I just lost my bite.
Oh.
This pan of banana bread. So brown butter, banana bars.
They're so good.
They're phenomenal. Okay, I'm gonna put the recipe for you here at the end of the video.
You're gonna like that.
You're gonna like
You're
it.
gonna like it.
What about these dumplings? I like the dumplings.
I salvaged some dumplings. I don't. I'm worried we're all gonna be
I
sick.
think we had these in the freezer way too long.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 2023.
It said good by 2023.
I also think the freezer may have went through a like thaw and freeze cycle, and that caused some problems. We'll see.
Okay. Goodbye.
That's so good.